Hi, this is Anand from Geekstick. This is an alternative way of doing Git stash using WinMerge on the latest pull from the Git repo.
Hi. Today we are going to see something similar to the merge in that direct Git session, but instead of it's something equivalent to a stash. In case of the Git prompt, we do stash and we will do the stash apply, right? So likewise, here we are trying to do using a WinMerge. WinMerge is a very lightweight and simple tool. At the same time, it's so powerful that we can see a difference visually and we can push the contents left and right and we can merge with the full satisfaction. Then we can save the content. Just it's an alternative way of doing a stash in the command prompt. But we are going to do it from Git GUI and using the WinMerge. It's a two-way process, but it gives some comfort for those who are comfortable with GUI. See some example quickly. Now I am in patch 2. Check out 2. Otherwise I can take any branch I want. Let's see, already we did patch 1 and patch 2. So do create. From the tracking branch, I take patch 3, match the tracking branch name, create. Sorry, again we did create from tracking branch, patch 3, match patch 3, fetching patch 3 from test. Good. Now I am going to check out. Patch 3 is here. Good. Now I am in patch to checkout. Browse patch 2 files. The files are here like this. 156. So in 6 I am going to make some changes. How I am going to do? Directly explore the working copy. In file 6 I am going to make some changes. Now already it's been checked out, but at the same time someone is making change in patch 3 in file 6.txt. Someone is going to make a change, assume. So I am opening this file, edit, I'm adding plums added, commit changes. That's it. Now in my local file system I'm going to make some changes. Someone added change, someone added plums. Now I'm going to add passion fruit, save. But the problem is, if I check out, what will happen? So already someone made a change. If I check out, the passion fruit might be overwritten or it will end up in the merge conflict. So what I'm going to do, let me check out the file, patch 3 again, checked out. Let's see the content of file 6. Still it is in the server only. Now I need to bring it over here. How I am going to do? From the remote, fetch from test. It is telling patch 3, there are some changes. It's been added over here. Okay, close. If I check out, what will happen? Still it is here. Now, so in that case, it is going to cause a merge conflict. I can't push my change. Now what will happen if I push my change? Rescan, commit, push. I'm moving it to patch 3 only. What is it telling? Pushing to get a patch 3 failed. To push from updates were rejected because of the tip of your current branch is behind. How I am going to resolve this merge conflict? So do delete branch. Before making the change, what I am going to do, I will file 6 to a different folder. It's called, in the document, I am going to keep it over here. Then I am coming to test. Delete this local branch, patch 3. So from this same branch I cannot do that. So I need to check out to the different branch. Now I am going to delete this branch, delete patch 3. This now batch 3 is deleted. Now Again, I'm going to create. For that, fetch from, pruning, because everything will be from the tracking branch. Patch 3, match, patch 3, create, fetching patch 3 from test. Good. Now I do checkout. Patch 3 has been checked out. Now using a WinMerge, the tool called WinMerge. Now I'm going to compare the file. From where I'm going to compare the file? File 6, because I took a local copy. Next, directly I will go to my branch, documents, test, file 6. Now I am going to compare. See, the plums is added over here, passion fruit is added over here. So what I am going to do, I can do like this. I'll move it to the next line, add this plums. Okay, line by line I compared and I did like that. So the previous change was plums was there, right? Already we know what are the difference. So now I'm adding it over here and I'm saving this file in the test. So I'll come to the merge, rescan. Yes, after the plums, passion fruit is added. So now I'm going to stage the file. Out of this two, I don't want to keep this file 6, only file 6 text.back, only file 6. Then I'm going to commit. The passion fruit is added. Push. Yes, it has been successfully. If I refresh, here we can see passion fruit. Yeah, this is just an alternative way of doing the merge. It is bit circuited way only, but this is those who are comfortable using this GUI. Yes, the straightforward approach is stash and stash apply. That's it. Thank you.